This tutorial explains how to change a video background in CapCut without needing a green screen. Follow along step by step to learn this technique. If you're new, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials. To start, open CapCut and create a new project. First, add the video you want as your new background. Next, insert your main foreground video by tapping Overlay and selecting it from your gallery. Zoom in slightly so the foreground video fits nicely over the background. With the foreground video selected, use the Cutout tool to remove its background. CapCut will automatically delete the background, leaving just the main subject over the new background video. Once the background is changed, export and share your new composite video. That's it! I hope you found this CapCut tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more video editing tips and tricks.